Diwali is the time for light, laughter, and togetherness. However, our pets can feel scared and anxious during the festivities. Today, let's talk about what you should do in the case of pet health emergencies during Diwali celebrations. Understanding and assessing a situation is important before you take any step. We know that pets can panic if there are a lot of fireworks, loud noises, and smoke. If you feel something is amiss, don't hesitate for a video consult with an expert vet, or dial the SOS button on the Vetic app if it's late at night. Panicking can hurt cats and dogs if they try to hide under furniture, squeeze into tight spaces, or jump from high surfaces. Sometimes anxiety in pets is expressed as constant panting and pacing or shaking. You need to be prepared during Diwali with calming chews and sprays as recommended by their vet. Close all the doors and windows, switch on the air purifier, and add some white noise. If necessary, layer the regular curtains with heavy bed covers to keep the noise from coming in. Dim the lights and stay with them unless they are showing signs of distress. Your calmness will help them settle faster. Avoiding injuries and emergencies isn't as easy as pet parents as we often like it to be. Pets pull stunts just like children do, without understanding how risky and painful it can be. They can step on firecracker remains, get in the way of lit candles, or step on hot surfaces by mistake. Do not apply toothpaste or ointments without consulting the veterinarian. If it's a small injury, please clean the area with cool water for 5 to 20 seconds and call your vet. Burns are very painful, and your pet might need a local anesthetic to help ease the pain. On the other hand, if your pet has a small bruise or cut, clean with running water and betadine. You can apply an antiseptic ointment given by your vet unless there's heavy bleeding or visible swelling. Inhaling smoke from Diwali fireworks or eating sweets meant for humans can be dangerous for your pets. If your pet is showing sign of breathing distress, such as open mouth breathing, abdominal breathing, or lethargy, then you need to take them to the nearest emergency care. Similarly, if they are throwing up, drooling, or having diarrhea, please bring them in for a quick checkup to rule out food-related toxicity. Home remedies may be useful, but not during high-stress situations like these. Research the nearest 24/7 emergency pet clinics and their locations, such as the Vetic Pet Clinic near you for unwarranted emergencies. This Diwali, enjoy the celebrations, but stay prepared nonetheless. Keep your vet's number handy and remember, quick, calm action can make all the difference. At Vetic, doctors are available 24/7 to guide and support you whenever your pet needs us. Because festive nights should be full of light and happiness, not worry.